Hey everybody, welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone to my stream. Today we're going to explore the universe in my new Space Trader game. Okay, we're not done with it yet. Let's take a look at the terrain generation, spaceship design, and the 2D artwork that I've created so far. We're also going to look at the shooter. I'm going to show you a basic update of everything. We're going to try to go through this little script that I had ChatGPT do. So what do we got loaded? Space Planets 4. Okay, so this one, excuse me, this is the shooter. Not sure what we're going to call it, maybe Space Odyssey, the shooter. Okay, so the ship is really cool. It's based on the old Asteroids game. I added a little extra to it, of course. It's got the little indent at the bottom, and then it's got the phaser that fires, the laser that fires. These are the asteroids. I was having trouble with the collision detection. That's kind of where I'm at on this project. I'm going to go back and figure some stuff out with this, or just get them down to the points. Let me show you what I was going to do there, because let's go to Space Gems 130, because this one contains both code that I need for the shooter, and it contains code that, contains code that I need to work on for the, of course, for the trader, Space Trader. And I'll show you where I'm at with that currently, because I hadn't done an update on that for a while. So this one's a little bit bigger of a project. It's a 2D Space Trader where you're out in space here. This is supposed to be a star in the center. And these are like little planets and stuff, and these are just lone asteroids, things moving around. And then the ship fires a bullet, right? It comes right out of the ship, and those are little crystals and things. These are flower type things that basically just single point animation is all it is. And see, the collision works perfect on this. So, but this is just the beginning. See, what you do is you go up to these little planet constellation things, and the nearest one, when you hit the number 2 key, generates the terrain with a given palette, and then you get like a Minecraft terrain kind of a thing. And I was working on this, and then my GPU kind of took the wayside. This is a really good like screenshot. Let's see what we can do here. Let's go screenshot. That should be a good screenshot. Okay, so, and then what I wanted to do on that one, so I want to take the terrain generation and mess with that a little bit more, get that a little bit more under control. And then I wanted to take the 2D section and just translate that on over to the shooter so that we can have that. What else are we talking about here? So the terrain generation, that's cool. Okay, display the spaceship, we got that. Show off the 2D artwork, we got that. So plans for improvements. Oh yeah, let me show you also the IM GUI stuff. Okay, so the IM GUI is really cool. It's got a lot of features that I added to it, but it's really kind of broken. So when I hit, let's see, what key is it? The 4 or the 5 key? Yeah. So when I hit the 5 key, it pulls up the IM GUI over here. It doesn't, what I should do is freeze this 3D stuff over here so you can go over here and do stuff in the IM GUI. But what I'm going to do is I think make this completely separate, so that when you hit the 5 key, it'll go into the IM GUI, and that'll be the only thing showing, and maybe the cursor. And then the cursor will be, of course, not moving like it is now, but then you can do all kinds of stuff like, what did I have up here? Are this colors? So this is a color for the palette. What you do is you select the color, and then you can edit it down here. This is the terrain generation. So if I go over here and I choose some of the, see, it changes the terrain. But again, it doesn't freeze it. It doesn't freeze everything, so you can't really see what you're doing while you're doing it. Here, let's go this way, go back. So that when I go up here and I drag stuff around, see, it changes it, but I'd like to just freeze the movement of the camera while we go into the MGUI. And then the cursor color, you can change the cursor shader, because you have different things for the shader. Let's see if if I took them out or if I didn't have them available with this one. Cursor grid, okay. String, D&D mode. Image, boop. You have all these images you can reference. Save start, save end, load these, okay. Yeah, I even had where you can actually start to build something. Like let's say you build something off in the distance here and you want to save it. So you mark one point and you mark another point, and then between those 2 points in 3D, it will save that block and you can load it and then put whatever you've made somewhere else in the world. And you can do lines, you can do walls, see like the x-axis, the y-axis, and then line or wall, see? And then move over here. Say you want to do a wall there, but it's really clunky. I'm definitely getting there, but it's really clunky, so that's kind of where we're at. Anyways, I know this is a really quick highlight video. What, 6 minutes? Okay, that's good. That's perfect. So this is some of the things I need to work on. We have a lot done already, but we really need to work on some things. Let's see, what else did ChatGPT say? Thanks for tuning into the stream. Hope you enjoyed seeing my progress on the Space Trader and the Space Shooter. Don't forget to follow me for more updates and streams in the future. Here we go. There was no audience, otherwise I would have engaged in the interactive. Cool. Alright, well thanks everybody. That's using ChatGPT script, and I will probably code and do some stuff later.